Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on restricting access to games on your PS4 based on age rating. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you have kids in the house, this is a great way to stop them from being able to play inappropriate games. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Parental Control and Account Management. Select PS4 System Restrictions. Enter your PIN code here. If it's your first time in the settings, the default code is 0000. Now select Default Parental Controls. Tap Age Level for games. Move up or down to select the max age level for games. You can come back here and change these settings at any time. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.